Hi, welcome to the McGuffey Readers Online Tutor. The McGuffey Readers are a quality education for anyone, anywhere, anytime. Today we're going to start by learning the alphabet. I'm going to say the names of the letters and then I will say their sound. Let's get started. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, K, R, S, T, T, U, V, W, X, X, Y, Z, Z. Oh, well done. So now I'll say the sounds again and repeat after me. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, E, J, K, L, A, That was great. You can repeat this lesson as many times as you need to learn the letters of the alphabet. And then visit us at the McGuffeyReaders.blogspot.com to get more lesson ideas and worksheets to go along with the McGuffey Readers series. Bye-bye.